Finally, the new challenge kicked off. Follow us during the construction of our new house. You might be interested in the many DIY tasks we have taken up. November 25th, 2021. The weather conditions are extreme. Heavy storm, rain slapping our faces. It couldn't be more Dutch in November. To be able to work efficiently and have a place to store and shelter, we hired a 20-foot container. The container and generator were delivered perfectly in time. November 26, 2021. The first materials arrived today. The sheeting and poles arrived. We will install the Prolock Sigma system. This is a simple system that can be installed DIY easily when using the right tools. We have encountered very bad weather and it was torture to move the materials into the container.